Look at that face. Is that not one of the cutest faces you could ever see right there? Look at that. Oh, that's not a cute face. What are you doing, Oliver? What are you doing? You still have the hiccups? This is what he does all day long. I don't know if you can see, he's moving his arm around too. He's like, I'm dancing. Wipe on, wax off. Do it again, Oliver. Wax on. Come on. You're missing another part. Okay. Now he's doing his pirate eye. Whoa. Okay, bye.